This is Major Ace, the last golf glove you'll ever want. Why, you ask? We'll tell you why. 1. It looks so fresh. Let's be honest, it just does. You cannot go wrong with this strong and clean aesthetic. 2. It feels amazing. We used the softest sheepskin cabretta leather we could find. Major Ace knows that feel is everything. This is a player's glove, my friend. No concessions here. 3. It performs great. Yes, we tested extensively. Then we had a bunch of other people test. So in terms of durability, rest assured that we're right up there with our big brand competitors. But there's more. Our research showed that 59% of golfers would not object to paying less for a premium glove. Another 41% even said it would be f***ing great. So we decided to cut out the middleman, which means you won't be finding us at your local golf retailer. Because this would end up costing you money. And there's better things you can do with your money. We trust you'll figure it out, but here are a few suggestions anyway. Major Ace was made by people who wanted to make a golf glove that felt great, performed great, and looks great while doing it. So they did the research, designed it, got a bunch of golfers involved, tested extensively, and now it's here. We also developed this smart case to protect your precious gloves from that banana in your bag that you forgot to eat 5 weeks ago. Yeah, that's gross. Our early bird backers can even get one for free. So, if you need an Ace golf glove, this is an Ace golf glove. It's also very affordable, so it's a no-brainer. Premium, super soft, performs great, and looks awesome. What more do you want?